is an earthy magic in the transformation of a raw tree stump into an exquisite coffee table, a blend of natural ruggedness and refined design that brings a sense of grounding and timeless artistry into modern interiors. Unlike mass-produced furniture that often chases uniformity, tree stump coffee tables celebrate individuality, each one a unique chapter written in the rings and textures of wood. The aesthetic appeal of these tables lies not only in their organic form but also in their versatility. They seamlessly bridge rustic charm with contemporary minimalism, creating a visual dialogue between nature and design. Hello my lovely friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspiring design trend that's all about nature-inspired exquisite tree stump coffee table design ideas. If you've ever wanted to bring a sense of warmth and nature into your home without losing that clean, contemporary vibe, then this style might be exactly what you're looking for. It's where earthy textures meet sleek lines, where the wild character of raw wood merges with minimalist silhouettes, creating furniture that feels grounded yet elevated. From live-edge tables that showcase the untouched beauty of natural timber to smooth, sculptural chairs crafted with precision and simplicity, this fusion of styles brings the best of both worlds into your space. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a home that feels authentic, calming, and deeply connected to nature. So if you're ready to mix organic warmth with modern elegance, you're in the right place. And hey, if you love content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more design inspiration, home styling tips, and furniture ideas daily base. Your support helps us grow this creative community and bring you even more amazing content. Now, let's get into it and explore how organic modern furniture can truly transform your space. These tables become more than mere furniture. They emerge as sculptural statements, evocative of forests, seasons, and the gentle erosion of time. In an age where sustainability and authenticity are valued more than ever, the rise of tree stump coffee tables represents a growing appreciation for materials that tell a story. Whether sanded to a buttery smooth finish or left with rough, bark-clad edges, these tables radiate character and offer a tactile connection to the outdoors. Designers and artisans have elevated the concept from simple logs to curated centerpieces, often pairing natural stumps with glass, metal, or resin accents to create contrasts that are visually striking and structurally intriguing. The process of crafting a tree stump coffee table is as enchanting as the final result. The choice of wood plays a significant role in the table's character, each species bringing its own grain patterns, tones, and emotional resonance. Oak, with its dense strength and pronounced grain, offers a traditional elegance, while maple provides a softer, lighter aesthetic, ideal for Scandinavian-inspired interiors. Walnut stumps, often deep brown and luxurious, lend themselves to more dramatic and upscale environments. In contrast, cedar and cypress stumps give off a raw, forested aroma and a more rustic personality. The stump's condition, whether freshly cut, aged, or salvaged from felled trees, also adds depth to its story, carrying the marks of time and weathering with dignified charm. Once selected, the stump undergoes a drying process to prevent cracking and warping, a slow and meditative phase that can take months. Kiln drying is often used to accelerate the process, ensuring the wood is ready to be worked without compromising its integrity. After drying, artisans begin the transformation, sanding the surface to highlight the natural grain, sealing the wood to enhance durability, and sometimes applying a light stain or oil to bring out its inherent colors. Design choices flourish from this natural base. One of the most captivating directions involves juxtaposing the organic stump with modern materials. Imagine a rugged, bark-lined stump topped with a sleek circle of tempered glass, the contrast emphasizing both the rawness and refinement of the piece. This design not only provides functional surface space but also allows the intricate textures and rings of the stump to remain visible, like viewing nature through a lens. Other designs incorporate metallic accents, copper, brass, or matte black steel, either as base supports or inlaid trims, merging warmth and coolness in a delicate dance of elements. Resin, too, has become a popular medium in stump table design, especially for filling natural voids and cracks within the wood. Transparent or colored resin additions can highlight imperfections as features, adding a river-like aesthetic or gemstone effect that transforms the table into an abstract work of art. In some designs, resin is used to cast entire sections of the stump, creating hybrid forms that fuse the organic with the synthetic in bold, unexpected ways. Beyond material contrasts, form and function also guide the creativity behind stump coffee tables. Some maintain their cylindrical integrity, embracing the stump's original shape with minimal alteration, while others are cut into geometric forms, hexagons, squares, or asymmetrical shapes that nod to both brutalism and modernist architecture. Split stumps joined together can create a diptych-like arrangement, where two halves tell a single story across a central gap. Multi-stump tables use clusters of smaller logs bound together as a communal surface, echoing the feel of a forest glade, each stump a tree standing proudly alongside its kin. Carving adds yet another dimension to the stump table. Subtle grooves, leaf motifs, or tribal patterns etched into the wood surface can elevate the piece into a cultural artifact, merging craftsmanship with artistic expression. Some stump tables incorporate storage, with hollowed centers and hidden compartments, merging rustic aesthetics with modern utility. Others float on concealed casters or pivoting bases, allowing mobility while preserving the illusion of solidity. These styling approaches invite the natural elegance of the tree stump into modern interiors without overwhelming the clean lines and minimalist ethos that often define contemporary design. The key lies in contrast and balance, using the stump's organic irregularity to soften otherwise sterile spaces and create visual warmth. A large stump table placed against a backdrop of white or charcoal gray walls becomes a tactile centerpiece, its natural hues popping amidst the neutral palette. Even in more colorful interiors, the stump can act as an anchor, its earthy tone grounding the vibrancy around it. Minimal decor atop the stump helps maintain this balance. Instead of cluttering the surface with multiple items, a singular ceramic vase with fresh-cut flowers or dried botanicals enhances the rustic tone while adding height and a touch of freshness. A handcrafted pottery piece or a glass cloche containing a small object of personal meaning, like a beach stone or antique figurine, can also reflect the owner's personality while preserving the clean aesthetic. These tables are meant to be admired not just for function but as standalone pieces of sculpture, and allowing space around them can elevate that effect. As interiors increasingly move toward biophilic design, integrating elements of the natural world into our homes, tree stump tables become more than design statements, they become agents of well-being. Touching the grain of real wood, seeing the scars and textures of something once alive, evokes a quiet reverence. It slows the pace. Amidst our fast-paced, tech-saturated lives, the presence of such a piece encourages moments of pause. When paired thoughtfully with modern decor, this kind of furniture reminds us that the future of design isn't just innovation, it's also reconnection. The minimalist, streamlined aesthetic of modern living benefits from these earthy interjections. They offer soul, rootedness, and an imperfect beauty that invites us to soften the sharp edges of our daily routines. And there you have it, nature's raw beauty, transformed into stunning statement pieces that bring warmth, texture, and timeless charm into any modern space. Tree stump coffee tables aren't just furniture, they're conversation starters, works of art, and little slices of the forest right in your home. Whether you love the untouched, rustic look or prefer a polished, contemporary twist, there's a design out there that speaks to your style and your story. Now I want to hear from you. Which stump design idea stood out to you the most? Are you more into the natural bark-on style, or do you love that smooth, resin-filled finish? Drop your thoughts and your dream design in the comments below. And hey, if you already have a tree stump table at home, share a photo or tell us how you styled it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next dive into the world of nature-inspired interiors. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay rooted, stay inspired.